Let me show you how to create this beautiful French nail. So we're going to start by using a cuticle bit on reverse to clean the nail plate. I will put any links for any products down below if I can. Then I will go in with my cuticle scissors and I will trim any non-living tissue, finally going in with a round ball bit to actually just smooth that off, and then very gently with the sanding band on a low speed I'll tickle over the nail plate just to make sure that's nice and etched. Then I will add my tip, dehydrate again, and then I go in with my Young Nails Protein Bond, 2 layers, and then I go in with my clear base layer. Now I do this because it really helps adhesion. Then I like to shape the nail, so I will do as much work as I can with the scissors, so I'm trimming the shape off there just to try and help so I've got less filing to do. And then I'm doing an almond shape, so my file is on a 45-degree angle and I'm filing towards the centre. Next you want to create your nail bed. I used a nude here and then I went over with a clear to cap it. You don't necessarily need to cap it, I just like to because it avoids shadowing. And then I will take my file round that smile line to make sure it's really nice and crisp. I'll cleanse it really thoroughly, and then I go in with this particular one because I'm using a glitter. I've gone underneath with a gel polish. I will cure that before I go in with the glitter, and then using a tiny little bit of the acrylic I'll pick up the glitter and I will place it on the nail there. I'll let that sit for a second and then I will encapsulate that fully in clear as I'm doing here. Oh, and if you are enjoying this video, please do make sure you drop us a like and a follow as we're dropping new content all the time. Then after that I go in with my e-file and hand file just to get all that lovely shape in. Again, 45-degree angle for an almond shape. I will cleanse, file, buff, top coat, all that good stuff, and you're done. I hope that helps, but if you do have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye now.